What's up, guys? Got right here the B8 A5 2.0T Catback exhaust. Pretty clean. I know people have their opinions about ECS, but this exhaust was a good price, so I ran with it. Gonna be installing it tomorrow along with my high flow cat when it comes in. I got the high flow cat from CTS Turbo. I also got an intake from IE Engineering. Yeah, I also got my tune from IE, and gonna be going stage 2, so hyped to be doing all that tomorrow. Just wanted to show you guys the exhaust, show you guys what ECS Catback exhaust looks like. I really like the welds. The welds look good on this stuff. I don't know. We'll see how it sounds when everything's bolted up tomorrow.